Next stop is the Shippen Old Street, famous for its railway and sky lanterns. At ito talaga ang ipinunta ko sa Taiwan, to send my prayers to the sky. A single color, and pinili ko yung multicolor. Each color has a different meaning. Red is for health and peace, yellow for wealth, green for success, and pink for happiness. This was such a great experience to send your dreams and wishes to the sky. Maraming free taste dito sa Shippen Old Street, and must try for me itong sausage nila. While on our way to our next spot, nakipagkwentuhan nga ako sa aming guide and ang dami ko ring nalaman about Taiwan. This is the Shippen Waterfalls at isa to sa mga pinaka-favorite kong spot. Ganitong ingay ng nature ang gustong-gusto ko. Maraming viewing platforms where you can get different perspectives of the falls. And last, itong Jofen Old Street. Lakas ang ulan pero hindi nyo ako mapipigilan dahil gusto ko talaga to makita at night. Now here's an interesting backstory. Alam nyo ba na Jofen is often linked to Studio Ghibli's famous film na Spirited Away? Although diretso na sinabi ng direktor na hindi ito ang inspirasyon, marami pa rin ang nagsasabi na ang ambience at architecture ng Jofen ay kahawig ng mysterious bathhouse sa movie. Kaya naman marami sa mga fans ng Ghibli ang pumupunta dito para ma-experience ang magic ng Jofen. I'm not a fan, di ko rin naman napanood yung animated film na yon, pero super na-appreciate ko itong lugar. And of course, hindi pwedeng palampasin ang food trip dito sa Jofen. Sobrang maulan ang tour experience ko, maghapon akong basa, pero sulit ang North Coast tour na to. Check this tour and Klook, may day tour, night tour, join-in tour, private tour, maraming option. Make sure to follow for more videos like this and keep wandering with me.